This is a travel guide to help you explore Tokyo, what to do, the culture and the must-see sites. It's a carefully curated, rapid-fire tour. Over the next 8 minutes, you'll get 15 essential experiences and a feel for the city's rhythm. Tokyo balances the hyper-modern with the deeply traditional. Our journey begins here. Shibuya Crossing, the busiest pedestrian intersection on Earth. Wait for the jingle, then step into the scramble. A symphony of human movement. Before you cross, meet Hachiko, the loyal Akita who waited here for 9 years after his owner passed. A national symbol and Tokyo's favorite meetup spot. Pause and people watch. Reunions, first dates, adventures beginning. Look up at the billboards, feel the current. This isn't just a street, it's your baptism into Tokyo's beating heart. From neon to nostalgia, Asakusa, home to Sensoji, changes the tempo the moment you arrive. Enter through Kaminarimon's colossal lantern, the icon of Asakusa. Stroll Nakamise Dori, a centuries-old promenade of fans, ornate hairpins, yukata robes, and omamori charms. Snack as you go. Crisp senbei, warm ningyo-yaki, and matcha ice cream. Pass Hozomon to the main hall and the 5-story pagoda. Waft incense for good fortune. Draw an omikuji fortune. Make an offering. Founded in 628, rebuilt after wars and fires, Sensoji endures with quiet grace. Even with the crowds, there's profound peace here. A living piece of Tokyo's soul. Need to recalibrate? Shinjuku Gyoen is your escape hatch. One park, 3 styles. Japanese ponds and bridges, French symmetry, English rolling lawns. Every tree, curve and shoreline is engineered tranquility. Come for blossoms in spring, colors in autumn. From samurai estate to imperial retreat to a garden for all. Sketch, read, sit. Give yourself permission to slow down. The city hums to a murmur beyond the trees. In a fast city, this is balance. Quiet by design. Time to go up, way up, to Tokyo Skytree. Smooth sci-fi lifts whisk you skyward in under a minute. From the Tembo deck, the metropolis unfolds. Parks, rivers, and towers to the horizon. On clear days, Fuji anchors the future with the ancient. Go higher, the world's highest skywalk floats you above Tokyo. Time it for sunset, in Watch the Sky Paint Itself. As night falls, streets become light trails and rivers mirror the glow. Seeing Tokyo breathe from here is unforgettable. Back to color and chaos. Welcome to Harajuku, the epicenter of kawaii, creativity and self-expression on full display. A river of humanity between shops shouting J-pop, snacks and perfume. Don't leave without a Harajuku crepe, a photogenic tower of joy. Styles collide, punk to Lolita to runway ready. 5 minutes away, Omote Sando's designer Calm resets the mood. Tree-lined luxury, coffee and cutting-edge architecture. Simply wander. The best fashion show is the street. Number 6, Tsukiji Outer Market, a living culinary ecosystem. Glistening tuna, spiky sea urchin, oysters open to order. Skewers crackle, sweet soy smoke in the air. Don't miss tamagoyaki and freshly shaved katsuobushi for dashi. Duck into alleys, graze standing. Scallops, mochi, a whisked matcha. Eat near the stall. Don't walk and munch, savor every bite. Freshness, seasonality and craft, you're joining a tradition. Even post-auction era, Tsukiji's heartbeat is loud and authentic. 7. Akihabara, Electric Town, anime, manga, games, passions unleashed. 8. Team Lab's digital dreamscape of light, sound, and code. 9. The Imperial Palace, Japan's living seat of tradition. 10. Odaiba, a retro future playground reached by a driverless train. Bold, ambitious, a bit quirky. Futurism from Japan's boom years. Stroll the promenade, watch the bay and the bridge light up. A sandy beach and a tiny Statue of Liberty. Tokyo with a wink. Visit Miraikan, shop Diver City, meet a life-sized Gundam. Dining, arcades and unapologetic kitsch, keep it playful. Come at dusk. The skyline twinkles across the water. It feels like a bayside resort, a world away from the mainland. 11. Onsen, a cultural ritual of soaking in mineral hot springs. Naturally heated, mineral-rich water, Japan's volcanic blessing. Wash thoroughly before soaking. The bath is for relaxing, not cleaning. No swimsuits, bring a small towel and keep it out of the water. Enter slowly. Temperatures vary by pool. Try a Tokyo Supercento like Spa L'Aqua for easy access. Saunas, relaxation rooms, and a bite after bliss. After long days walking, onsen resets the body and mind. 12. Yanaka Ginza, a Showa-era Shotengai where the pace softens. Shitamachi charm, shopkeepers greet regulars by name. Sweet wagashi, crackling senbei, hot croquettes, perfect street bites. It's not a set piece, it's a living neighborhood artery. Keep an eye out for the local celebrities. The cats, gentle bustle, savory smoke, and handwritten signs. A soothing counterpoint to Tokyo's high energy. Come late afternoon for that warm, nostalgic glow. 13. Dive into Tokyo's nocturnal heart. Golden Gai and Omoide Yokocho. Over 200 bars tucked in ramshackle post-war buildings. Check for cover charges. If it looks friendly and there's a seat, head in. Each bar is a theme, punk dens to elegant lounges. Nearby, Omoide Yokocho sizzles with yakitori grills in tiny shops. Point at the sizzling skewers, momo thigh, hatsu heart, and a cold beer. Loud, crowded, gritty, and utterly charming. Hidden alleys where Tokyo truly thrives after dark. 14. Ueno Park is more than green space. It's a cultural capital. World-class museums, art, history, science, all in walking distance. From samurai artifacts to science wonders, spend a full day if you can. In spring, the park becomes a sakura tunnel, hanami parties everywhere. Float past Lotus and a shrine to Benton, rent a swan boat for whimsy. Japan's oldest zoo, pandas headline a diverse cast. Pick your path, deep museum crawl or a lazy pond circuit. Culture, nature, public space, Tokyo in one beautiful package. 15. Take a day trip. Tokyo's trains unlock new rhythms and perspective. Nikko dazzles with ornate shrines and national park waterfalls. Kamakura's Daibutsu and coastal calm feel a world from Shinjuku. Yokohama blends port history, gardens, and a gleaming waterfront. That's 15 must-dos, a framework for your own adventure. Treasure the small details. They're the heartbeat of your memories. Get lost, try the mystery snack, say konnichiwa. Tokyo rewards curiosity. Dive in, feel the pulse, and make it yours. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Tokyo.